Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce this 1000 ml electrical heating mixing tank. First, you can see the whole tank. It is made of standard steel. It has 3 layers. In layer for product mixing, middle layer for heating, and the outside layer for protection. Here, at the bottom, you can see the electrical heating bar to heating the tank, and the vial to leave the finished product out. And you can see the 4 wheels. If you want to make the tank to any place, you can to move it more easy. Here is a control panel. You can to use it to operate the tank. This button is emergency stop. If the tank have some problems, you can to use it and the tank will stop and no working. These 4 button is for heating and mixing. Use it heating start and use it heating stop. Use it mixing start and use it mixing stop. This 2 table, you can see the voltage and the ampere. And this is a temperature table. If you want to adjust the temperature, such as 70, you can see, and such as 80, you can see, and such as 90, you can see. And this is to adjust the mixing speed. You can to use it to up and down. The mixing speed is from 0 to 60 RPM. You can to use it to adjust. And let me here, I will show you the electrical. You can see this, we use the Delta and Delicate. And these 3 lines are 3 fire line and 1 ground line. You click connect it and the whole tank will be working. And now I will show you how to use this tank. Please follow me. You can see the cover is the open cover. You can to put the material through the tank on this. And now I want to start the mixing. Here you can see the tank is start mixing, and here you can see the tank is start mixing. And the mixing pad our use the screen scraping wall and bottom. You can use it to make your product more mixing. This is the all detail about this mixing tank. Thank you to watch this video. Welcome to our mixing tank. Our SIPUXIN machinery is a 23 years old manufacturing company. Okay, now this is all the detail about this mixing tank. Welcome to our SIPUXIN machinery. Our SIPUXIN is a 23 years old manufacturing company for cosmetic, food, and chemistry machine.